Tesla sees first international installation of solar roof. Tesla sees its first international solar roof installation. Consumers around the world are looking forward to launching this product globally as they seek energy independence and stunning looks for their homes. Kelly Roofing has great news to share. The company has completed the first ever international installation of the new Tesla solar roof. The company shared the news on March 12. Kelly Roofing reported that the installation was done on the island of Nevis, in the West Indies, Caribbean. The installation includes a Tesla solar roof and power walls to store energy and power the rest of the home. In addition, the company shared photos of the stunning-looking home covered in solar tiles. Breaking news. Kelly Roofing installs the first ever international new Tesla solar roof in Nevis. Florida-based Kelly Roofing is very proud to be a Tesla-authorized installer. The company installs Tesla solar roofs, Tesla solar panels and Tesla Powerwalls, which are the best in the industry. Tesla solar roof is resistant to hail and strong winds, which makes it an excellent choice for installation in regions that periodically experience difficult weather conditions with strong winds and precipitation. Solar roof tiles are more than 3 times stronger than standard roof tiles and are engineered to withstand all weather conditions, as has been proven time and time again in real-world tests. Source: reposted and summarized from Eva Fox at Tasmanian.